Today we are going to make a headband just like this. This is a baby headband and I am going to make an adult headband. To begin with, we are going to make a chain of multiple of 4 plus 3. I'm going to make a wide one, so I'm going to start with the 3 sets, 3 sets of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then second one 1, 2, 3, 4, and the third one is 1, 2, 3, 4. Multiple of 4. Then to get the height, I'm going to make chain 3. Then on the fifth chain from hook, I'm going to make a double crochet, chain 2, and double crochet. Now I'm going to skip the next 3 chains and making another double crochet, chain 2, and double crochet. Now I'm going to skip the next stitch, and in the last one I'm going to make 1 double crochet, chain 3, and we are going to work the double crochet, chain 2, and double crochet in the chain 2 spaces. So now on we are working the double crochet, chain 2, double crochet in the chain 2 spaces only, and every row begins with the chain 3 and ends with a double crochet. So we make a few more rows, then we will start making the carnations. I'll be adding this pattern to my Ko-fi page, and give the link in the description. If you like a PDF, a written PDF pattern, then that will be a good idea to download. It will be available as pay what you want. For this row, we first chain 3, then make 1 double crochet, then chain 2, and 1 more double crochet, same as usual. Then I am going to go here, chain 1, and I am going to yarn over hook and putting like a double crochet. Then I'm getting the yarn and go through 1 loop on the hook. Now getting the yarn and going through the next 2 loops on the hook. Now I have 2 loops on my hook remaining. Again yarn over hook, insert the hook, bring up a loop, yarn over hook, go through 1 loop, yarn over hook, go through 2 loops. Now we have 3 loops on the hook. Do it one more time, yarn over hook, bring up a loop, yarn over hook, go through 1 loop, then yarn over hook, go through the next 2 loops. 4 loops on the hook, yarn over hook, and go through all the loops at the one time, then chain 1 to lock it, then make 1 more chain. Then we are going to the next chain 2 space and make a double crochet, chain 2, and double crochet, ending with a double crochet. Now again chain 3 to begin, turn, and make same like before, double crochet, chain 2 and double crochet. Now make a chain 1, go on top of the, I can make a chain 2, go on top of this one and make a single crochet. Now we have 3 legs here, so I'm going to take the one on the left and making single crochets around it, 6 of them, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now I am going to work on the right leg, all the way right. So I turn, insert the hook over here, make 6 single crochets, 1 Now there is 1 leg remaining, so make 4 single crochets on it. Chain 2, turn, make a slip stitch in the first chain, do it every stitch, chain 2 and slip stitch. So we are going from here, going all the way here to all the way up to here. Now the flower is finished. Just another slip stitch. Now we have a carnation. Now we have to chain 1 and make another V stitch over here, to chain. Now keep the right sides together and we can stitch them. Match the ends together, then go through the corresponding loops or the stitches to front and back. Now I finished stitching and we turn it inside out. Look at the carnations. Oh, they are pretty.